Ever wonder why your mornings feel so sluggish? Well, it turns out the secret to a powerful morning lies in what you eat. Today, we'll reveal the best alkaline foods to kickstart your day so you can say goodbye to those groggy mornings and hello to energized days. But first, let's talk about what makes these alkaline foods so special. You see, our bodies function best when they maintain a delicate balance between acidity and alkalinity. Most of the foods we eat daily are acidic, and too much acid in our system can lead to health issues like inflammation, fatigue, and even diseases. So, incorporating alkaline foods into our diet helps balance our pH levels and keeps our bodies in tip-top shape. Now, let's dive into the best alkaline foods you should be eating every morning to kick off your day in the healthiest way possible. First up, we have the humble lemon. Yes, you heard that right. Though it might taste acidic, lemons are actually alkaline forming inside your body. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water not only wakes you up, but it also flushes out toxins and boosts your immune system. Plus, here's a fun fact. Did you know that lemons contain more potassium than apples or grapes? So go ahead and squeeze some sunshine into your morning routine. Next on our list is the mighty avocado. This creamy green fruit is a nutrient powerhouse and a fantastic alkaline food to add to your breakfast. Rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, avocados help you stay full and focused throughout the day. You can add them to your smoothies, spread them on whole grain toast, or even eat them on their own with a sprinkle of sea salt. Speaking of smoothies, let's talk about leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and collard greens are all alkaline superstars, and they're great for blending into a refreshing morning smoothie. These greens are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to thrive. Plus, they help to keep you feeling light and energized all day long. If you're looking for a heartier breakfast option, how about some quinoa? This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. Quinoa is also a fantastic alkaline food that helps stabilize your blood sugar and keeps you feeling full for longer. Try cooking it up with almond milk, cinnamon, and a drizzle of maple syrup for a delicious, energizing breakfast bowl. Don't forget to add some nuts and seeds to your morning routine, too. Almonds, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all alkaline, nutrient-dense, and full of healthy fats and protein. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie bowls for an added boost of energy and flavor. Lastly, we can't forget about the magical cucumber. This crunchy, hydrating veggie is the perfect addition to any morning meal. With a high water content and alkaline properties, cucumbers help flush out toxins and keep your body hydrated. Enjoy them sliced with a pinch of sea salt, or toss them into a fresh salad with your favorite greens. So there you have it, the best alkaline foods to eat in the morning for a healthier, happier, and more energized start to your day. Remember, incorporating these alkaline foods into your daily routine not only boosts your energy levels but also helps keep your body in balance, promoting overall health and well-being. Give these alkaline foods a try and watch your mornings transform from sluggish to supercharged. And if you've enjoyed this video and want to learn more about how to live a healthier, more balanced life, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're constantly sharing more tips, tricks, and insights to help you live your best life. Before we go, here's one last fun fact for you. Did you know that alkaline water is actually a thing? Some people believe that drinking alkaline water can provide similar benefits to eating alkaline foods. However, the scientific evidence for this is still limited, so don't go rushing to buy a fancy alkaline water filter just yet. Instead, focus on incorporating the amazing alkaline foods we mentioned today into your morning routine. As you do, you'll notice a difference in your energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. So go on, start your day with these powerful alkaline foods and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who could use a morning energy boost. We'd love to hear about your favorite alkaline breakfast recipes and how they've transformed your mornings. Be sure to leave a comment down below, and let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay healthy, stay energized, and keep on smiling.